I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'll probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to ride for this shit. You know murder's my hobby.
What's up, you beautiful people? It's your boy Josh. You are now watching I Stay Josh, and you already know. We're about to go take some pictures.
GPS signal acquired.
I am off quarantine and work is about to commence again, so it's about time I get this stuff done. Make sure I don't hit the curve. Check the front door, everything is straight. I installed some cameras. Yeah, I'm driving down the road, like I said, taking a quick ride in the Z. We still got on the tires that Mick left us. If you're watching this video, I appreciate you, brother. Thank you, car security system, beeping sound to make sure I am the safest guy in the world with the sick red seatbelts. Just got a haircut, so your boy feeling good. Let's talk a little bit of automotive stuff, man. What's going on? Comment, put in the comments below. I want to know what you guys have new going on in your life. Like I said, this video is pretty bland. Just driving and talking. Try not to yawn in your faces. I wonder if it's contagious through camera. I wonder, maybe, who knows? But anywho, we're gonna go back, find one of these little back roads that we can cruise on, maybe get a little drone footage on, a little shot on, but I need some pictures for Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you are following your boy. Again, it is I Stay Joshin' on YouTube, I Stay Joshin' on Instagram, and Super Sport Enthusiast on, block the sun. And Super Sport Enthusiast on, your Facebook platform. So holla at me on that one. I'm sorry about the sun, man. I don't know. I'm about to make a left real quick. Let's see if the sun is gone, and pum, it is gone. But yeah, so follow me on those platforms. Let's go ahead and connect. I want to talk to you guys more. Again, this is about you know, sharing each other lives, seeing each other lives, watching, planning, talking, growing with each other through the means of social media, networking and stuff as such. So I'm, like I said, I am so grateful for you guys, so grateful for the opportunity to post videos, and some people watch it, whether it be 5, 10, 15, 20. Sometimes if I got a good one and the algorithm likes me, it's hundreds. So back then, your boy had a few thousands too, you know what I'm saying? Not a few, more than a few. I think one of our biggest videos did, I think like 27,000. That was when I had the old 5th gen. I got the 6th gen to make content, but honestly, the way I think of it now is Chevy puts out, hey, sales are hurting, therefore I don't really think stuff are gonna get pushed when it comes to this car. Look at Dodge and Mustang and those YouTubers or any content around those vehicles do better. It's just more people out there, more owners out there and stuff like that, so they want to consume the content, they want to Google things that's going on, and you know, all that crazy stuff. So I wish I got the love, you know. I have great friends, DV and others out there that says, man, you know, your videos are good, your content is good, you know, you deserve more. But I'm not doing it for the views. I'm not doing it, damn sure not doing it for the money. The biggest thing is just to share content, and again, just get out there, man. I love to teach, I love to learn, I love to build, I love to grow. That's just my military upbringing. That's just my life all day. I think it's an amazing thing. But we'll see you guys when we're out there. I'll shut up.